It's a very old church. You see the iron in these old windows. I don't know exactly what, if this was like housing for monks or something like that. But beautiful old church. It's got some modern lighting up there. It's the Anglican Church of the Holy Trinity. So not necessarily in service anymore. But we can go up here and see. We have 3 memorials here. 1791, Westmoreland, England, died 1869. And then this person, Henry Rigg Tyson. And Sarah Eliza Tharp, who died with her twin daughters. How sad. So we can see a lot of, there's the tower, the bell tower. You can see the rope through the window, but I can't see the bell. What a beautiful sanctuary. Absolutely beautiful.